Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. I am going to be doing a new tag video today. It is called My Favorite Summer Thing. My Favorite Things for Summer, My Favorite Summer Things tag. It was started by HOwConnie. Who doesn't love her? And I was tagged by Jill Maurer, and I was also tagged by a lady from Boston. I also believe I was tagged by Natural Luxe Diva. So thanks ladies for tagging me. And if you would like to see what my favorite summer items are, please watch on. My favorite ice cream flavor. It's ice cream. Is there a bad flavor? Except for peanut butter. Hey guys, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. My name is Neo. This is my channel here, Ahhhsoneo, where I like to talk about beauty. I like to talk about all things luxe, whether that is beauty products or shoes or bags or anything luxurious that I can think of. Welcome back to my channel. Rocking the fro this week. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, I have jewels. If you're new here, please subscribe. I have another video that's out that is, you know, my little march here to 1K subbies and wanting to be able to do a giveaway when I get to 1K subbies. And the way you can help us all is by subscribing. So please subscribe. And the second rule I have is that if you are a return visitor, if you have already subbed, please hit the notification button. You know how YouTube is. If you don't hit the notification button, you don't know that I've posted a video, and then you don't watch, and then you don't even know that I'm planning on having that giveaway. So click that notification button, guys. Thank you. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. I've been busy, but finally things are settling down, so I'm like, I'm gonna tape as much as I can during Afro Week. It is what it is. So, like I said, I was tagged by Jill Maurer, I was tagged by Natural Luxe Diva, and Lady B, lady from Boston, to do the favorite summer things tag started by HOwConnie. If you don't know who any of those four ladies are, I will link them down below. Check them out. They're fabulous here in our Luxe community here on YouTube, and I'm always engaging with them, talking with them, watching their videos. If you like my stuff, you will definitely like them too. Hey ladies. Alright, the first one is favorite summer outfit. Oh, this is gonna be so easy. Coming up the hanger. I bought, look at this, look at the colors. Woohoo! I love it. I love dresses, I love stripes, I love color. It's still on the dry cleaning hanger here, but it is a really cute, very simple, very ladylike, very colorful striped summer dress that I picked up at Forever 21. I don't know, for less than $40. I'm pretty sure it is still in stores because I picked it up not that long ago, and I've been wearing it a lot, except when I was at the dry cleaners. But definitely I'm not I don't shop a lot for clothes, but when I saw that dress, I was walking through Forever 21 picking up some other stuff, and I'll talk a little bit more about that as the video goes on. But I took one look at that dress and I was like, that's it, must have it right now. So did. Favorite summer shoe. Yes, I know. And this one, I know you're thinking, if you've been watching this video before, you're thinking it's gonna be the colorful ribbon Louis Vuittons that I bought at the beginning of the summer. It is not. It is not. It is something. It's literally my favorite summer shoe, because it's a very comfortable summer shoe for me, not for people I might kick. Damn it, I brought the wrong shoebox. Ha 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 ha. Sorry, wrong shoebox. Got it. Maybe? Yes! Okay, right shoebox this time. It is these. Ugh. Ooh. Things are flying. It was in a white, this is a really old personal Louis Vuitton bag, but it was in there all the same. I love these. They're very flat, as you can see. There's probably maybe just like an inch, 3/4 of an inch heel, and a little dusty. Don't mind that. And I love the spikes. I mean, anything with spikes, and you have me at hello. Although I think a couple have fallen, but very comfortable shoes, and they patent leather, which makes it that, you know, if I end up without thinking I'm gonna be by a pool, but I end up by a pool, that is fine, because I'm not worried about delicate leather or anything like that. So definitely This is a very old pair. I had them vibrant so that I wouldn't have to worry about that. It's the Druid Flat Patent Kid, and I'm pretty sure I bought these about 3 years ago, so love them. Right, alright, next. Favorite sunglasses. I only have 2 pairs of sunglasses. This pair by Prada, got these again a couple years ago. And the second pair of sunglasses I have is the exact same pair, but tortoise shell. Oh, so it's the brown tortoise shell. I love these. This is literally my 3rd pair because I lost one. And I'm surprised by how long I've managed to hold on to these. I generally don't buy sunglasses. You know, if I have my pair, I have my pair. I don't buy sunglasses regularly and haven't bought a pair in about 2 to 3 years. So, yep, that's that. Favorite handbag or wallet for the summer. Love this. And I know it looks dirty. That's because it is used and abused. I use my things, ladies. I really do. And it is my Louis Vuitton Damier Azur with the La Tahitian print zippy wallet. Compact zippy wallet. Love this. I love the style of the zippy wallet. I have a lot of I have 3 of these, I believe, and it's so compact. It fits so much stuff in it because it has credit card slots. I don't put coins in this particular one, but in some of the others I have, and I just find it very, very handy. And for me, it is definitely used and abused and well loved, and a great summer wallet. My favorite summer SLG is a clé, like a lot of us, but mine is the multicolor. I love it when I try to speak French like a French person, but it's the multicolor in noir or black print that was very popular a few years ago. Mine has the pink fuchsia lining. I love this piece. I put my car keys on it, extra little bit of cash in it. I love how big it is. I mean, look at that. It's almost the same size, like width-wise. Obviously not that, but just look how big it is. So I find it very handy, very useful, and the 2 of them together have gotten a lot of use this summer. A lot. Okay, what's next? Perfume or cologne. So unfortunately for me, my husband is very, very sensitive to perfumes and colognes, and his sensitivity has gotten worse over the years. It's to the point where I cannot wear perfume anymore, except for today because he's not here. Because of that, I have not bought perfume in quite some time. I just use random samples that I used to get from my subscription boxes. This used to be my favorite perfume regardless of season, so summer, winter, whatever. I love this Coco Chanel Noir, but then now it just sits here haunting me. Now, use me, I can't. The husband says I'm gonna kill him if he smells you. It's so sad. But next one is favorite chapstick or lipstick, and I have 2. They're very similar colors, but this one is a bit more lighter. Like this one needs a little bit of work. So I'm gonna say I've got one, which is a Chanel lip gloss that I've been using all summer long. It is a Rouge Cocoa gloss in the color 716. What I love about this is how fat the doe foot is. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I think it's just a really good summer nude for me. It gives me a little bit of shine. I find it very moisturizing. It is not long lasting. I'm not even going to try to lie to you guys there. Maybe an hour's wear out of this, and then it kind of settles down a little bit. But since I work from home, I don't worry about having to constantly reapply. But I just love this, love this. It's a great summer nude. I should do that in my favorite summer nudes. Favorite thing to do during the summer months. We don't have a pool. I know it's crazy. I live in Arizona. I don't have a pool. Crazy. But we do have a community pool, and in the summer, a bunch of us with kids, Friday nights is pool nights. We all take our kids down. There's barbecue stands down by our pool. We take our coolers down with our drinks and our plastic cups and drinks for the kids, and we start piling up at the pool around 5. There's probably about 3 or 4 families that do this every Friday, or almost every Friday, and we hang out until about 9, and just parents talking, whether we're talking politics or music, or someone always has a little speaker box, our kids are playing. I mean, for me, I just feel like these are the things my daughter's going to remember when she's older about, you know, Friday nights, summer nights, and just kind of hanging out with the neighbors. So that's one of my favorite things to do during the summer. Any fun summer trips planned? I did have one. My husband and I, to celebrate our anniversary, we went to Cancun for almost a couple weeks. We had a fantastic time. I'd never been to Mexico at all, so it was gorgeous. We came back a little tan. I bought all these swimsuits. That's what I was picking up in Forever 21, because I went crazy and probably bought about 6 or 7 swimsuits. Not all of them from Forever 21, just some of them. But so it was a lot of fun. And so when I was walking through and I saw that dress, while I'm holding like probably like 15 swimsuits, because I have to try everything on, I was like, that dress, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. So it was a lot of fun. My favorite ice cream flavor, it's ice cream. Is there a bad flavor? Except for peanut butter. But you know, I'm not fussy. I'll eat it. I'll eat ice cream. I won't eat peanut butter ice cream, but I'll eat ice cream. But my favorite, probably like a real vanilla bean, where you can really taste the vanilla, not like a cheap vanilla flavor, but like real vanilla bean flavor. And then also, of course, yeah, okay, yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to avoid ice cream right now, so I can't think of anything. Favorite summer jewelry piece? Ew, it's falling off. I've been wearing this a lot this summer. It's falling off my shirt right now, and you guys can't see it. But I have been wearing my Chanel brooch a lot this summer. I love, love, love this piece. It just, to me, adds just a little bit of elegance to whatever I'm wearing, and elevates my outfit just a little bit. It's very eye-catching, and it's quite a conversation starter. I've had actually quite, mainly middle-aged women, but I guess that's my bucket. But I've had quite a few people like comment and say, oh, that's really cute, or start a conversation or something like that. So I think that's pretty cool. Bonus item to share. I didn't really think about that last one. Do I have a bonus item to share? I don't think I do, so I am gonna stop bugging you guys. Oh, okay, I'll say this though. When we went to Cancun, we shipped our daughter off to Grandma and Grandpa, so it was really, really nice to have some quality time just along with my husband for a while. So it was great. So thanks to the people who tagged me to do this video. You guys are really great. Thank you for thinking of me and wanting to know my thoughts about this favorite summer tag. I will insert here the names of people that I'm tagging to do this video. I've recently subscribed to a couple new channels, so I want to tag them to do this video, but I need to check their names first before I start blabbing them, because yeah, it's recent and it's new. So thanks guys for watching. I'm hoping you're having a fabulous week. I'm hoping you're having a fabulous day. Mwah. Stay blessed, and remember, you just have to be happy. Happiness is a choice, and it's up to you to choose it. So be happy. Subscribe. Notification.